Together in a changing world.
Our motherhood stories.
My name is Alicia. When I was pregnant, I wrote out a list of rules, but I was in for a shock when she was born. I woke up one morning and imagined I'd thrown my baby out of the bedroom window. Of course I hadn't. She was downstairs and safe. But my thoughts were disturbing, and I began to believe I was evil. I wasn't sure I loved my baby. I couldn't be with her at night because my brain was on constant alert, and I didn't sleep. Surely I must be winning the award for World's Worst Mum. When my baby was 3 weeks old, urged by my perinatal community mental health nurse, I chose to stay at the local mother and baby unit. I soon settled into life in hospital, started on medication, and created a manageable daily routine offering comfort around the chaos of a newborn. The ward staff listened to me without judgment and helped me find my bond with my baby. Soon I was able to go out for trips with her, and eventually I began to notice small things again. I then began to have short stays back at home, and eventually I felt safe to return back home full-time as a family. The community team followed up with me, making sure my family and I still had the support we needed, and my confidence grew. My love for my baby blossomed. We have good moments now, good hours, and sometimes even good days. I'm a mum with all these things. Perfect mum? What was I even thinking? I'm learning just to be good enough and to accept help from those around me.
My name is Sam. I was nervous to meet my baby, but everyone told me I would feel this rush of love and everything would be perfect. I didn't feel the rush of love. I was tired, in pain, and didn't know how to take care of this tiny human. Over the days, I felt less and less like me and more judged. I couldn't tell anyone the thoughts inside my head. I felt so disconnected. I was irritable and angry. Perinatal mental health team. Words I had heard from my health visitor that continued to spin around my head. I still remember my first meeting. Getting all the thoughts out of my head to someone who didn't know me was a release I hadn't realised I'd needed. She was warm and friendly, just a normal person, and she didn't want to take my baby away. She wanted to help, and she said I wasn't alone. Maybe I'm not the only one feeling like this after all. I began to believe I could be a mum to my baby boy, and I felt supported to do it my way. I could express myself to my husband and feel understood. After a few months, I could finally enjoy my baby. I could enjoy being a mum. I could see him growing and being happy, and I finally felt that unconditional love for him that I never thought was possible. Some days are hard, but I get through them. I met other mums at a playgroup too, and that's when I realised I wasn't alone.